So there are some students in the classroom who participate in assignments, in all subject assignments, very actively, and so there were some products that were built which were quite impressive. So there was one product, if I were to give you an example, where if you make a UPI payment of, let's say, 16 or 17 rupees, the UPI, that particular app will automatically deduct 20 rupees, a round off figure, from your bank account, and that difference of 2 to 3 rupees that is extra, that is cut by the app, it will be deposited in the wallet of that particular app, and at the end of that particular month, whatever amount is collected will become your SIP in your mutual fund, right? So that's a very innovative product and thinking. So there were multiple products like this, and I could see that in real life as well. And this was done using this lovable AI tool that I talked about. It's the same way. So we learn something, but if students cannot apply that in real life, if they cannot see the application of these concepts in real life, then there's a big gap that comes. It will also make students a little less confident in ensuring whether they will be able to apply those concepts or not. But wherever possible, if we are using such AI tools or in any such assignments which help students understand the practical side of applying these concepts, I think it is always very much appreciated. Different products that were created in the classroom. So this particular product was called Chiller, where extra money is deducted from your bank account. There was one product called Stock Sakhi, which the purpose of that was to help women from the rural sections of society to promote them in investing their money in the securities market. Then there was one more product which helped companies in legal compliance, which went a little ahead also.